The St. James Municipal Corporation is reporting a dip in revenue generation following the passage of Hurricane Melissa. Montego Bay Mayor Richard Vernon is, however, hopeful that things will pick up during the Yuletide season. We have the details in this report.
The road to recovery in St. James will be a long one, but the people here remain committed. The St. James Municipal Corporation has been playing a critical part in the efforts, despite a significant dip in revenues. Chairman Richard Vernon provided details of the impact recently.
We have seen a significant dip in the last month compared to last year. In the November period, we have seen a dip of about 85%. And that is as a result of the slow generation of revenue from the usual sources: property taxes, motor vehicle licenses, trade licenses, rental of properties, and or general revenue from barbers and hairdressers, market fees, you name it.
The week leading to Christmas is usually buzzing with entertainment events in the second capital. But it's clear this year will be different. Still, Mr. Vernon is not daunted.
Whilst we have lost revenue due to the events, they have not significantly compromised how we operate. But we have to get back to doing those. We anticipate that there will be several events, fireworks, parties, you name it, and we expect the persons to follow the usual procedure, which is to apply for their permit from the Municipal Corporation, get their permit from the Jamaica Constabulary Force. We have a template, and the promoters do it very well, and I expect them to adhere to that template as we move into the Yuletide season.
He insists the setback has not stalled progress and argues that plans are already afoot to bring some level of normalcy back to the second city. Support is also being provided by the Ministry of Local Government.
To subvention, that subvention is something that is given to us from year to year, month to month. But no more than before, we need a heavier support from central government to go beyond the coverage of basic salaries or a percentage of it, but more so to cover much more of the operational costs that we have to endure.
Prince Moore, TVJ News.